In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to send from OKX wallet to OKX exchange. You can do it from your OKX application. No need to hop around on multiple apps. Simply open your OKX. You can see in here we have our OKX wallet, which is Web3 based. On the top, as you can see, this drop down menu, we can exchange it between our wallet and our exchange. So you're going to be heading over to your exchange. Just wait for a couple of moments and you're going to be copying your address, head over to your assets. Once you are there, make sure that you're signed into the platform. Copy your address for any token that you like for example, we have BTC, Ethereum, whatsoever we would like. And once you copy its address, it is gonna be, you can see we have BTC. So now what we need to do is simply go back, and let me just open that again. So you're going to be heading over to your Web3 section and send it from your OKX wallet to that particular address that we just copied for exchange. And that's how easy it is. You can simply use this option to buy and sell and send as well. So yeah, that's how easy it is to do it. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for more and see you in the next video.